Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name is Jennifer from TalkFinancesToMe.com. In today's video, we are going to be going over my current debt and current savings numbers. Guys, I thought I had it all under control, and let's just say that my debt number is not where it should have been at this time, but let's get right into the video. Starting off with my car debt, I bought a car in 2020 because I needed a new car. So I went ahead and bought used, and I bought a 2017 Honda Accord. As of right now, I stand at $21,992 in debt with my car. The good thing is that I have a really low interest rate. As of right now, I've decided not to make additional payments just because I'm trying to focus more on my consumer debt as far as credit cards go than anything else. My current student loan debt is $2,225. I have been making $25 payments here and there since the entire pandemic started. And as of right now, there's rumors that they're going to forgive up to $50,000 in student loan debt. So I am in no rush to pay off this loan. Yes, a lot of people will be upset about that, and a lot of people, I feel for the people that have paid tens and thousands of hundreds of dollars in student loan debt. But because there is no interest accumulating, I have taken the decision to not put any more money toward my student loan. That is just my personal preference. I might change it later down the year when things start to change and things start to get better. And so $2,225 is what I have in student loan debt. Next up are my credit cards. So my current debt for credit cards is $11,586. Guys, $11,586 is a lot of money. I wanted to be halfway done paid off, but I'm not there yet. If you've been following me along, then you know that I have already paid off credit card debt, and then I went back into my spending spiral, and I went back into just putting things on credit cards. So the goal is to be credit card debt free by 2021, and believe me, it's going to happen. I'm saying it out loud. I'm praying about it. It is going to happen. So $11,586 is where I stand with my credit card debt. For anybody that is paying off debt right now, if you're feeling overwhelmed or if you're feeling like your payments are not going anywhere, you guys, it's all a part of the process. Honestly, it's a part of the paying off debt process. The feelings that you get, the emotions that you experience, all of that stuff, it is all a part of the process. In the middle of me trying to pay off my debt, trying to save more money, I do have a full-time job, I have a family, I have kids, and not to mention, I'm doing all these side hustle things on the side. The side hustles that I'm doing, they do require money, they do require for you to pay and buy things. And not only that, but I have savings goals, I have kids, and I have things going on throughout the year. So I have to kind of keep myself relaxed and understanding that things are going to happen. Not everything is going to go the way that you plan it. So it's very important to always have a plan B and to always look at the brighter side of everything. All right, guys, future Jennifer here. So I actually went ahead and paid off my balance transfer credit card, my PNC, and new debt number for credit card is $4,911. And I've made a payment toward that card already. It hasn't posted yet, so technically it's not there yet. So $4,911. The next thing that I want to get into are my emergency fund and my sinking fund savings. So as of right now, my emergency fund is at $3,956. I just want to put out there that all of these numbers that I'm sharing with you are my numbers only and not my fiance's or my family's numbers. This is my debt and my savings numbers alone and by themselves. So as far as my emergency fund goes, I have $3,956. I have all of my savings in a high yield savings account that I have with Capital One, and I also have credit cards with Capital One that are at a zero balance. So anytime that I need to use my money, my emergency fund money or my sinking fund money, I go ahead and use my Capital One credit card and then pay off the credit card with the savings accounts that I have attached to that account. Now, with my emergency fund savings, as of right now, I'm saving $120 every single month toward my emergency fund until I get to at least $10,000. Now, I know what you're saying, that's going to take forever. And you're right, it is going to take forever. However, once I'm done paying down all of my consumer debt, then I can focus a little bit more on saving more money and investing more money and putting money away for whatever reason. It's important that I let you guys know that just because I'm trying to pay off debt, that's not the only thing that I have going on and not the only thing that my money is going toward. And this is me just a little bit of motivation for everybody. Just because you're in debt doesn't mean you can't invest in yourself, in your business, in your future, in your retirement, in your kids. That doesn't mean anything. So for me, yes, I have this consumer debt, but at the end of the day, I am paying off as much debt as possible while building my businesses. So obviously, to build a business, it takes some type of investment up front. The money that I'm using for my businesses can technically go toward my debt. But honestly, if I don't do this now, then when am I gonna do it? I'm gonna wait months and years until all my debt is paid off and then build a business and then invest in myself? Absolutely not. I don't believe in that, not one bit. So I'm paying off the debt as much as I possibly can while building businesses, while living my best life, while saving for future events and future things that we have going on, and while trying to maintain a lifestyle. So I just want to let you guys know that's why for me it is taking a little longer to pay off this debt and to save as much money as I can. As for my sinking funds, I have $750 saved for future events, and that number grows and it kind of fluctuates, honestly, every single time that I get paid. Sometimes I add additional money, sometimes I take away money. So every single pay period, I set aside certain amount of money for different sinking funds. And then while the days go by and the months go by and the events happen, I'm using that money from those sinking funds. So that money is always fluctuating. And as of right now, there's $750 in my sinking fund accounts. So my sinking funds take care of all my future events. And then my emergency fund takes care of like immediate emergencies, something that I didn't plan for, I didn't budget for, and I need the money now. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Share this video with someone that you care about. And also don't forget to subscribe, press the red button along with the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my future videos. Until next time, guys, bye.